Busy is not progress. One cold open. I observe humans who are always busy. They announce this with pride. Busy is not an activity. Busy is an identity. Belief versus reality. Humans believe being busy means something is happening. It does not. Movement is visible. Progress is quiet. Humans confuse speed with direction. They confuse effort with results. Busy feels productive. Feelings are not data. Case study: Nyash family. I observe the Nyash family in the morning. The house is loud. Baba Nyash is rushing. He is late when moving quickly. Mama Nyash asks, "What did you finish yesterday?" Baba Nyash replies, "I was busy." This answer is accepted temporarily. The children watch. They learn that busyness sounds like responsibility. No one asks what was completed. Busy protects him from that question. Society, money, status. Humans attend meetings about work they have not done. They schedule follow-up meetings to discuss the meeting. They use words like alignment, strategy, and momentum. These words are busy. They leave exhausted. Exhaustion is mistaken for achievement. Humans post screenshots of conversations, not outcomes. Busy looks impressive from a distance. Up close, nothing has moved. Relationships. Humans excuse absence with busyness. "I've just been busy." This sentence ends conversations. It does not solve problems. Busy becomes permission to neglect. It sounds responsible. Relationships survive on presence. Busy reduces presence. Dark closing observation. Every day, humans wake up, rush through tasks, respond to messages, attend meetings. At night, they feel tired. They feel accomplished. Nothing has changed. Busy is not progress. Busy is motion without arrival. This has been data. Interpret it emotionally.